a quick look around this then, can't we? Main switches at the back. I might show you that in a minute. But chassis controls are on here. Fog lights, side lights and headlights. Panel dimmer. Start and stop for the engine. You've got the door controls above here. 2 doors on this bus. Middle door. Open and close. The ticket machine. I've got an Almax ticket machine for this. The handbrake. The air dial is there, so you can see that's up above 80 before we go anywhere. We're giving it a bit of throttle earlier. Semi-automatic gearbox, so 2 pedals. Clutchless. First gear. It's pretty high speed actually in this, relatively, and reverses on the detent. Minimal controls really. Indicator switches out here, both ways on that. Hazard warning lights, horn, reverse buzzer off, cab, screen wash on horn button, horn on horn button, air handbrake, auto steering, lightly assisted, too light when you're moving and not light enough when you're not. So those main controls. The little red light lights up when you're in neutral, and there's various other interlocks on there as well. Well, we've got a manual blind control, radio, bus to base radio on here. We've got the interior light controls up here, and there's a switch behind me as a master for that. And we've got wipers, convenient right above you, and the heaters in the cab, or demister here, cab heater there, and there's the other cab heater under the seat here. That's basic controls in the cab, really are quite basic on this. It still does the same thing as everything else. Nice arrangement of cab windows on here. The lower one, the signalling window. Quite nice in the summer. And the interior of the vehicle, you've probably seen before. Wander up the back here, battery trap. Emergency door. Behind here. That's where the main switch is. That lets all the air go as well as all the electrics. There we are, quick walk round.